announced he had completed a new and final Beatles song with a little help from AI, the public freaked out. What they didn't understand was that director Peter Jackson used a machine learning program to lift and clean John Lennon's vocals from an old demo tape, not create new ones. But the reaction proved most people don't understand artificial intelligence or its various applications.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the field of computer science that's dedicated to solving problems that traditionally required human intelligence. So things like recognizing images, speech, playing games, even driving cars. So generative AI is really just the next step in AI. It uses AI-powered systems to generate information. It might be music, stories, any kinds of information or new ideas.
So AI is already changing the way we live, and it's going to change the way we work, and employers know it, according to a new AWS study.
73% of them are currently looking to hire this talent, but 3 out of 4 of them can't find it. So we at AWS are providing the tools, the resources, the training for people to build those skills if they want to learn it. And there's high value in that learning. Companies are actually willing to pay anywhere from 35 to 47% more in salary. We see jobs growing, particularly anything in the data space, because data is what's powering these AI models. So data engineers, data architects, data scientists, but also developers, software developers who can learn AI and can develop faster using it. And then it's not only technical roles. So it might be a marketer that understands how to use business insights tools that can constantly adapt based on them changing their request for information to be able to make decisions on how they're marketing, where they're investing their marketing dollars. Those are also high demand.
And here's how AWS is preparing you for the new job market.
We made a commitment at AWS back in 2020, frankly, to be able to provide free skills training to anyone across the globe that wants to learn about cloud computing. 29 million people by 2025. We just added to that commitment last month to say we're actually now going to provide specifically free AI skills as well to at least 2 million people globally, because we want everybody to learn this, all the way from K-12, where we're providing just partnership with code.org to get people exposed to the technology in a fun and interactive way, to high school and college, where we provide an AWS Generative AI scholarship to more than 50,000 people to learn about generative AI technology. And then finally, we have more than 100 free and low-cost training courses on AI that are available to people in the workforce.
Get more information at aboutamazon.com/29million.